The growing power of the changing world, Turkey, becomes more and more influential in the global economic arena. The majority of the growth is through exportation, and 95% of the exportation is by industrial products. An organization operating in Ankara since 2001 is working, supporting, and manufacturing as one of the most important contributors to this development. Başkent Organized Industrial Zone, OIZ. Başkent Organized Industrial Zone is located at a distance of 6 kilometers to Eskişehir Highway, 40 kilometers to the city center of Ankara in Temeli, Malakoy, a 40,000 hectares of industrial basin where 4 industrial zones are located. Realized completely by the efforts and capital of participants, Başkent Industrial Zone, as one of the best administered industrial zones in Turkey, hosts companies from a variety of industries such as metal, chemistry, defense, mining, print, food, etc. Başkent OIZ, established in an area of 1,014 hectares and composed of 2 sections, aims 600 industrial plants, employment of 50,000 people, $1.5 billion exportation, and $5 billion added value when it has reached the full capacity. In accordance with the vision of its starting point, Industrial City of the Future, Başkent OIZ takes establishing a high-technology manufacturing ecosystem that can compete in the world markets as a mission and has completed the infrastructure in all parcels, made roads, water, power, natural gas, phone, data by fiber optic cables, wastewater, rainwater services, which are the needs of the investors, available to use. Transportation of personnel to the zone are made by private shuttles as well as by Malakoy Suburban Line Station, which is just at the border of the zone, or by bus and minibus lines. The administration, knowing the value-added quality provided to the nation by a high vision and innovative outlook, have made the Başkent Organized Industrial Zone more distinguished in many fields compared to other industrial zones. The urban center planned on the 2 sides of Ankara Creek, which passes right in the middle of the zone, is the best example of this. Administration, social and utility support buildings, green areas, Congress and Convention Center, hotel, kindergarten, hospital, mosque, conventional wastewater treatment plant, sports facilities, vocational schools, education centers, and innovation center found in this center stand out with their state-of-the-art structures and different designs. Our premises, which has ISO 9001-2008 quality, ISO 14001-2004 Environment Management System, and OSAS 18001-2007 Occupational Health and Safety Management System certifications, incorporates buildings of 465 square meters for banks and offices in an area of 27 hectares, workshops of 845 square meters for the purpose of providing to the needs of industrialists in an area of 61 hectares, which also provide to small-scale investors. Aspiring to train the employable labor force suitable for the expectations and needs of the market, Başkent OIZ have put the Vocational Training Center into operation by CNC lathe processing, welding, industrial design, and modeling workshops, made the education building which can be used as vocational high school or faculty of technology by vocational training centers and universities available. Water treatment plant is conventional and the first and the only in its field among the organized industrial zones operating in Ankara. Constructed modularly, the plant consists of physical, chemical, and biological units. Starting out with the ideal of establishing the industrial city of the future, which can be a model not only in our nation but also internationally, Başkent OIZ has laid the foundation of cooperation between university and industry by signing a protocol with METU in 2005 for the purpose of realizing technological manufacturing that will enable to compete internationally instead of conventional industrial manufacturing, then put technology transfer offices into operation by the protocols signed with Gazi and Hacettepe universities. OIZ Administration Building, which reflects the outlook of administration on labor and manufacturing with its modern and aesthetic architectural design, has a conference hall with the capacity of 300 people and multi-purpose training classes. In addition, KOSGEB, Small and Medium Enterprises Development Organization, representative, also provides service in this building. Fire Department, 112 emergency services, electric and natural gas squads, fully equipped security units, and cleaning vehicles are available to investors for 7 days a week and 24 hours a day. With the ideal of being the industrial city of the future, Başkent OIZ will make the region a loading, unloading, and customs clearance center of Ankara and Central Anatolia by construction of an intermodal logistics center in the area of 700 decars found between the industrial zones, suburban line, and high-speed railway line. Başkent OIZ Logistics Center will connect Ankara both to other regions of Turkey by railway and highway, and to world over the ports of Izmir, Istanbul, Mersin, and Samsun. Başkent OIZ Logistics Center will improve the highway transportation facilities by completion of the planned Temeli Akıncı Freeway. It will also have the railway transportation facilities to Europe, when Marmaray will be made available for railway transportation, and by Kars-Tbilisi-Baku line, which will be completed very shortly to Ukraine and Central Asia. The largest support of economic growth is industry, and the quality determinant of the industry is how it is positioned. Başkent Organized Industrial Zone is an example to many global civil organizations that are trying to become organized by its administration, institutionalism, approach to its participants, and its distinctiveness. We, in order to realize a dream, have established the industrial city of the future in Ankara. Let's walk towards this future together. Başkent Organized Industrial Zone. Industrial City of the Future.